Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 and the Android smartphone, and I will show you how you can change between sound modes. So I'm talking about active noise cancelling and the ambient sound. So at first we have to open case of our Galaxy Buds 2 and then open Galaxy Wearable application. If you don't know how to pair these two devices, you can check our video on our YouTube channel. But when you are here, you have to remove them from your case and you have to put them into the ears. But of course I cannot make it because I will show you right here how to make it. So I'm going to cover these sensors on the both earbuds like that. Okay, I'm going to keep holding them like that. And right now, if you want to switch from the ambient sound to the active noise cancelling, you have to simply click and hold on one of the earbud, just like that. And as you can see, we successfully changed to the active noise cancelling. So let's make it on the right one to turn on ambient sound. And as you can see, it also works. And also when you are in the ambient sound, we can also adjust the sound volume of the ambient sound. Right here, we can go for the low, medium or high. We can also manage it manually by application. So let me put them back to the case. And we have to, okay, I have to cover the sensors one more time because it's only able when we cover the sensors or when we have them in the ears. So here we can tap on these three buttons to change noise controls of the earbuds. So as you can see, it's very simple. And if you have any problem with the touch controls, you can go here and then customize this option in this place. So we are talking about touch and hold, and here it is. So we have to set it up on the switch noise controls on the left and the right earbud. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.